Hi baby, I am your Pooja ma'am and I am going to teach you English today. By English, I don't mean some boring English writing work. Today we are going to play a lot of fun games. My first game is soft and loud sound. By soft sound, we mean the sound which has low volume. And by loud sound, we mean the sound having high volume. Soft sound is a sound which is a pleasant sound, and a loud sound is a sound which is not pleasing for your ears. So you can differentiate between the two sounds, and today I will make you listen to different sounds, and you have to tell me whether it is a soft sound, means are you liking it, or whether it is a loud sound. Okay? So my first sound is, isn't it a soft sound? Right. And that was a loud sound, right? And this is a soft sound. This is a loud sound. So I hope you can differentiate between soft sound and loud sound. So I am going to take your test now. Open your ears and listen to this sound. That was soft sound, right? Now again get ready. That was a loud sound. You are absolutely right. Okay, one more time. That was a soft sound. And which sound was that? Yeah, you're correct. Loud sound. So this way in your day-to-day life, you can listen to lot of sounds and you can differentiate between a soft sound and a loud sound. Okay? I will come again with another game. Get ready, baby. I'm ready with my next game. And the name of my game is Which Sound is Missing? But before I start my game, I want you to meet my friends who have come all the way from Old MacDonald's farm. Yes, you guessed it right. Those are farm animals. And what is this? This is a duck. And duck says quack, 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 quack. This is a pig, and pig makes the sound oink, 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 oink. This is a sheep, and sheep makes the sound ba, ba, ba. And the fourth animal is a cow. Cow makes the sound moo, moo, moo. And today all these animals want to have a fun with you. You know, they are going to make sound, but you have to tell me which of them have not made a sound. Okay? So are you ready? Let's start. Quack, quack. Oink, oink. Quack, quack. Oink, oink. So this way, when I am doing this activity, this was my first sound and this was my second sound. Okay, so Duck was making the first sound and pig was making the second sound. Okay, so now when I'm going to ask you, you have to tell me whether first sound was missing or second sound was missing. Have you understood the game? Okay. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Yeah, tell me, which animal did not make the sound? Yes, first sound was missing. Duck did not make any sound. Okay. Now, this is a cow and a sheep. Cow is going to be the first sound and sheep is going to be the second sound. Moo, moo. Who is not making the sound? I think sheep is not making the sound. So, the second sound is missing. First sound is there, that is the sound of a cow, but the second sound is missing here. Okay. Okay, baby. Can you see? Now we have three sounds. This is the first sound, this is the second sound, and this is the third sound. So when I ask you which sound is missing, you have to tell me whether the first sound is missing or second sound is missing or third sound is missing. Open your ears. This is a listening game. Quack, quack, ba, ba. Listen to the sound one more time. Quack, quack, ba, ba. Which sound is missing? Yes, second sound is missing. Let's do it one more time. Okay, now ba, ba, quack, quack. You want to listen to the sound again? Ba, ba, quack, quack. Which animal did not make the sound? Yes, the pig did not make the sound. The third sound was missing. Okay, let's do it again. You have to be alert at all the time. Quack, quack, oink, oink, quack, quack, oink, oink. Yes, sheep was not making any sound. So the first sound was missing. Okay, now listen to the sound again. Quack, quack, moo, moo. Okay, pig was not making any sound, so the second sound was missing here. Quack, quack, oink, oink. Which animal is not making the sound? Cow. So, the third sound was missing here. You are doing a great job. Okay, get ready. Moo, moo, quack, quack. Yeah, third sound is missing here. That was the sound of the pig. Quack, quack, oink, oink. So, the first sound was missing here. This way, you can play game at home. So, babies, even you can play this game at home. If you don't have flashcard, you can bring in your toys and ask mama or papa to make sounds of different animals, and one sound should be missing. So this is going to be the first sound, second sound and third sound. This is how you need to play the game. Okay? Bye.
Thought for the day is think happy, be happy. So babies, remember that you must only think about the things that make you happy and positive and spread joy and love around you.